Hello students, in previous video I have explained page number 34. Now I am going to explain you page number 35. In page number 34 I have told that Samid went again into the hole. Then see what's happened. Please stay, said the children, and Jane added, can you grant us wishes like a real fairy? When Samid was going into the hole, and then the children were saying, please stay, don't go, please stay here with us. And then Jane said that, can you grant us wishes like a real fairy? Can you fulfill our wishes like a fairy? I just did, it said. You wished I had come out and I did. Then Sammy replied, I have fulfilled your wishes. I have fulfilled your wish. I have just do this. You wish that I'll come out and I have come out. That's why, and your wish I have complete your wish. Oh, please can we have another one? Asked Jen. Then Jen said, oh, can you give me permission? Can you give us permission that we will ask one more wish? Can we tell you? If you just, it said grumpily, but hurry up about it. Grumpily means crossly, as if in a bad mood. Then he said grumpily that, okay, you may, but please don't take too much time. Hurry up. Please, said Anthea, remembering a wish that she and Jane had talked about. We wished we were very, very beautiful. Then Anthea is saying, please. And after saying that, she started to remembering a wish that one time she and Jen have talked about that. And what's that wish? That we wished we were very, very beautiful. And they have talked that means they want become very beautiful, and that was their wish. The salmon stretched out its eyes on their stalks and seemed to hold its breath and puffed itself out until it was twice its normal size. Then Sammy stretched out its eyes and he held his breath and puffed itself until it was twice its normal size. I hope it doesn't hurt itself, said Anthea. Anthea is saying that I hope that creature means it will not hurt itself or crack its skin, Robert said anxiously. Then Robert saying anxiously that it will not crack its body. Then the Samit suddenly let out its breath and collapsed down to its usual size. Collapse means student shrunk. Then Samin suddenly let out its breath and he come to his normal size. I hope that didn't hurt, said Anthea. Anthea is saying to Samit that I hope that you have not hurt yourself. You had not hurt yourself. Just my whiskers, it said, you are a kind and thoughtful child. Quickly it buried itself in the sand again. The children looked at each other. Each of them was looking at three astonishingly beautiful faces. It was like looking at strangers. If it hadn't been for their clothes, they wouldn't have known each other. Then after listening that, the Samid is saying that you are very thoughtful. Thoughtful means someone who cares for the needs of other people. Means you are very kind people. You are very kind children. You all are. And quickly it went into the sand again. The children started to look each other. They want to see that really the Samid had fulfilled their wish or not. Each of them was looking at each other astonishingly. Astonishingly means very surprising. Beautiful faces, and they have become beautiful and they were looking to each other. It was like looking at strangers, but when they saw each other, it seems like they were seeing to stranger. Why? Because they have changed. That's why they seem to each other that they were strangers. It hadn't been for their clothes, they wouldn't have known each other. If their clothes were not same, then they would not be able to recognize them. Means just because of their clothes they are able to recognize them, and they come to know that they were the same children. Cyril, you look like a golden haired angel, said Cynthia. It's not like you. I think I liked you and Robert better before. Then Cynthia is saying to Cyril, you are looking like a golden haired angel now, and it's not like you. Means I think I liked you and Robert better before. Means you and Robert are looking better before, and I don't like you all in this change appearance. And you two girls look like silly greeting cards, said Robert. Let's go home, it must be dinner time. Then Robert is saying that you two girls look like a silly greeting cards. And he's then again he's saying, let's go home, it's time of our dinner. So please let's go home. I'll carry the lamb, said Anthea. The baby, who had woken up, took one look at her and howled. Howled means made a loud sound in pain or sadness. When the children tried to pick him up, he only fought and kicked. It was an hour before the lamb would let them carry him home, and by that time the lamb was as hungry as a lion and as thirsty as a desert. Students, the children have decided that they will go home because it's the dinner time, and the auntie is saying that I'll carry the lamb, I will take the lamb. And the baby has just woken up, and when the baby woken up, took a look at her and howled means took a look at Auntie, and howled means make a loud sound in pain or sadness. When the children tried to pick him up, when the children tried to pick the lamb means pick him up, he only fought and kicked. And he kicked. Why? Because the baby is not able to recognize them, because their appearance have changed, their faces has changed. That's why he is not able to recognize them. That's why he fought and kicked them. It was an hour before the lamb would let them carry him home, and by that time the lamb was hungry as a lion and as thirsty as a desert. 1 hour before, the lamb let them carry, and with them he came to that beach. But now after 1 hour, he won't be he's not agree that they will take him to the home and they will carry him. And now it seems that he is as hungry as a lion and as thirsty as a desert. Means he was trying to kick them, he don't want let them carry, because he didn't recognize them. Student, this is explanation of page number 35.